Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Today in math we're going to be reviewing 5 frames and then also looking at a 10 frame and counting some objects in 10 frames. Okay, so let's first review 5 frames. Now I have 6 5 frames here, and we know they're called 5 frames because there's 5 spots, or a frame with 5 spots inside of them. Okay, they all have 5, and above there is some faces. Now these are the faces that the dentist saw one day. He had 6 customers and they all kind of had different amounts of teeth when they came in. And this is the first thing he saw. So we're going to go ahead and count the teeth in those faces, and we're going to put that amount of discs or circles in these 5 frames. And then we're going to figure out on each one, is that number greater than or less than 5? Okay, first one, let's count his teeth. How many does he have? 1, 2, 3. He's super happy. He's having a great day, but he only has 3 teeth. I think he needs more teeth. I think the dentist is going to help him. So let's go ahead and write 3. And then let's put 3 discs. I'll just go ahead and do it like this. 1, 2, and 3. All right, boys and girls, is 3 greater than? Is it more than 5, or is it less than 5? I see 2 empty spots. That tells me that it's less than 5. All right, so the first one's less than 5. All right, let's do the second one. So this gentleman's coming in. He's pretty happy as well. He has more teeth, but something seems to be wrong with a couple of these teeth. I think he needs some work done on those teeth. But anyways, the dentist says, come on in, and he counted. Let's count with him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's go ahead and write 6. Now, let's go ahead and fill that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have no more spots. I need to put one on the outside of the 5 frame. 6. Okay, is 6 greater than? Is it more than 5, or is it less than 5? I have one on the outside, so it looks like it's greater than 5. It's more than 5. 6 is more than 5. Very good. All right, next one. Here we go. This gentleman comes in super happy, always having a great day, but he only has 1 tooth. Oh my goodness, that's not good. He really needs a lot of help from the dentist. Maybe that's why he's happy. He says, I'm in the right place. So let's go ahead and write 1. And let's do 1 here. It's pretty easy, isn't it, boys and girls? Is 1 less than or greater than 5? I see a bunch of empty spots. So that looks like that it's less than 5. All right, the next guy that comes in, he's not happy at all. He's not having a good day. He's got a toothache. I'm not sure which one it is. Maybe it's this one over on the side. But anyways, he needs the dentist's help. So he comes in and the dentist has to count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, start at the top, pull down. Now let's fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to put them on the outside. 6, 7. Is 7 greater than or more than? Or is it less than 5? Looks like there's some on the outside, so it looks like it's greater than 5. Let me go ahead and circle that one. Greater than 5. All right, next one. Oh, another happy camper coming in. How many teeth? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 teeth. Let's go ahead and write a 4 here, right here. And fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that's really close. I've almost filled it all the way in, but I have 1 empty spot. Is that greater than? Is it more than? Or is it less than 5? 4 with an empty spot is less than 5. Just 1 less than 5. All right. Now, last one. Okay, he's coming in. It's the end of the day. This guy's super happy to be there. But his teeth are all kind of round and kind of funky looking. He needs some work too. All right, dentist, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it. Oh, wait a minute. 7, we've seen that before, haven't we? Let's do it again. Now, is 7 greater than or less than 5? If I'm going and adding, filling it all the way in, and I still have more, remember, that is greater than. That's more than 5. So that's that one. Very good, boys and girls. You have done this with me really, really well. The dentist was tired. He went home and he had a bunch of candy. No, he didn't. He's a dentist. He knows better. Not too much candy. It'll hurt your teeth. He had a lot of vegetables and fruit. Good job, Dennis. All right, boys and girls, we're moving on to our stepping stones. I'm going to show you a 10 frame. Before we do this one, I'm going to show you this 10 frame right here. Now, this is just like a 5 frame, but it's double. It's 10. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 spots. So now I'm going to give us some numbers. Let's see, is it greater than or less than 10? Okay, first of all, let's do, I'm going to use purple. Let's do the number 8. Okay, 8 is just like this. Kind of make an S, uppercase S, and connect it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's say something happens and I get distracted. I gotta go do something else. I come back to it. Where was I at? How many did I have? Always recount it again. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, there's 8. Now, is 8 greater than 10 or less than 10? I see 2 empty spots. That means that 8 is less than 10. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, let's do just a couple more. I'm gonna erase these here. Let's do a number that would be greater than 10. Okay, greater than 10. Would 7 be greater than 10? What do you think? No, I think that's gonna be less than. How about 3? No, let's do a number that's greater than that. Let's do 13. I think that's gonna be greater than 10, but let's check it out. I'm gonna fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not there yet, so I have to put some on the outside. 10, 11, 12, 13. Definitely greater than, more than 10 because I have to put them on the outside. All right, boys and girls, let's do one more. Now this time, I want to go with a number that's not greater than, but I want to go with a number that's less than, okay? So how about 12? You think 12 would be less than? No, I think that would be greater than, more than. How about 18? No, too much. I'm going to go with this number right here. You ready? Let me go with this number. I think that this number is going to be less than. What number is that? That's right, that's 4. Very good. Let's go ahead and fill it in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Now I can see that it is less than 10 because I have a lot of spots ready to go that are empty in my 10 frame. So that's less than 10. Now, boys and girls, we're going to do our work in our stepping stones. This is page 79. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to represent quantities in these 10 frames. So we're going to draw some circles to match the numeral, to match the number. So the first one is 8. See that S? See how I did that? They did that just the same way. Looks like a uppercase S and they connected it at the top. So let's go ahead and do that. I see the first one is starting to be kind of, there's a tracing there. So I can finish that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that match the numeral? Does that match the number? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I double check, and yes, it does. All right, let's do 2 more. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Boys and girls, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video, fill it in, and then hit play again. Now, 6. Is 6 greater than 10 or less than? I see these spots here. It's less than. One more, okay? Ooh, 10. And this is a 10 frame. Shouldn't it be exactly the same? I think it is. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm so tired from writing, but let's keep going. 10. We did it. All right, look at that. There is none extra. There's none on the outside of it, and there's no empty spots. So 10 fits perfectly in the 10 frame. Go ahead and finish the bottom ones as well and upload that. Thank you for joining me today on math. And don't forget to brush your teeth, eat healthy foods, and not too much candy. We'll see you next time.